Hi and welcome back. We're out here today. Welcome back to Northwood's Garage. Today we got some stuff to do with the truck, and it's not even fun stuff. Something that I thought I wouldn't have to do to the truck, but living where it's freezing out, your doors sometimes freeze. And I was walking out to my truck after work. I got to my truck and found out both sides of my doors, passenger and driver side, are frozen. And on these body style trucks, we have this handle. Look at that. It's broke off. Yeah. There's not much to leverage on when you're, have your door frozen, and you just got a little piece of plastic there to pull on. And I couldn't get my fingers in the door to try to pry it. So, yeah, the handle broke. So we're gonna be going to O'Reilly's and picking up a new handle. Luckily they had one in stock, and we're gonna get to putting this thing in today. Let's get after it. Well, that wasn't a very exciting cold start, because, well, one, it's like 20 degrees today, and I plugged it in. Starts right up. I mean, it starts right up when I don't plug it in too, but definitely helps. Welcome back. We got back from O'Reilly's there, and yeah, they had one in there. So we got lucky. They had one driver's side door handle left, and then so we're gonna have to take the door panel off here, and this old one comes out, and we should be able to put the new one right back in. So let's get after it. So this is where your lock mechanism is. This is normally, I just took it off, but it's normally right here. And you just gotta pull right here and pry with your screwdriver to get these two clips to release it. And this is your lock mechanism. Attaches the door handle right here. And then first we had to take off this 10mm bolt here. Next, which connects to this window guide. It goes all the way up here. This is your window guide. And then we can move this out of the way, like so. Get to that bolt there. Rubber plug here. Pull that out. There's another bolt right in here. We gotta get that one out. And then we should be able to come around here, pry with a screwdriver right here, and we should be able to pop that out. Alright, so I didn't even have to pry, I just pushed it out from the back. And then what you gotta do is you gotta undo that little green clip there, which will release all of this, and this will pop right out. So basically you just gotta reach in there and undo it with your screwdriver there, and you should be able to just pop this baby out. Alright, move this party back inside. We got this is the new one, and then this is the old one here. And so this is your lock mechanism. So you gotta pull this pin out so we can pop the new one into here. So we you should be able to just pry with the screwdriver here. Pin comes out, lock comes out. It's weird seeing it like this, you know, you only ever see that part. Kind of cool to see the inside of stuff. But these are the clips that gave me a little trouble. So the pin sits in here, and I had to try to wedge it in here and try to push this down to get the pin to pop out. You pull it with your one hand, and then you gotta pop it down with your left hand. But it wasn't too hard. Yeah, probably should clean this up a bit too. Might do that. But basically, to get your new one in, pry your screwdriver in the lock here, pin comes out. Pop the new one in, or you know what I mean. Pop the lock into the new one. Push down. Feed the pin back in. Boom. Got your new door handle ready with your own lock, so that way you can get in your truck. Alright, let's go back outside and I'll show you how to put the rest of this back into the truck. Alright, so that little green clip there, you're going to put this rod down in here. If I can get it with one hand. Anyway, you're going to put it down in there, and then you got to close the green clip around it. And that secures it to the inside door handle. So you can open and close your door from the inside. And then bolt 1 here, bolt 2 here, and then we gotta reconnect our lock arm, which is right down here. And after that, if I can get it up there, but yeah, lock arm goes back, clips on these clips on the lock, and then once we do that, then we can resecure our window guide. And then put the door panel back on. Alright. Alright, we got the door handle in. Everything works good. Locks. That one's a little stiff. We'll have to work on it. Not a huge deal. Yeah, we got the door handle in. Nice and stiff. Can't wait to wear that down. And then, yeah. So I don't know if I showed how to get the door panel off, but basically flathead screwdriver pries up the little control box here, like so. Pry it up, pop out the wiring in the back of the connectors here, and then pop out the little door courtesy light thing. Flathead screwdriver pops it right out. This one didn't come with it, I guess, because I didn't even see wiring for it. So, yeah. So that pops out. Normally you'd have to undo the wiring on the back, but since mine didn't have it, didn't have to worry. Yeah, 7mm bolts. Pops it off. Also you gotta pop this piece off. Pop right in. Right up. That pops in, and then you're good to go. So here it is. We finally got the door thing on. Easy enough. The only thing that's giving me trouble is the locks. Might have to look at that a little more, but not a huge deal. Alright. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. And I hope that you found it informative, and I hope none of you will ever have to use this video, but if you do, I hope that I give enough instruction that you would be able to do it yourself. I had no idea how to do this today, and I looked it up, found a nice video that could, was generic enough that I was able to do it. And I hope that this video did that for you, and you were able to install your door like I did here. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed for more truck content and installation videos. So I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.